And staying with news from Bengal, the BJP has once again alleged violent deeds by TMC workers. In fact, the BJP is accusing TMC workers of vandalizing their warehouse in Kolkata. BJP alleged that TMC goons entered their Kadapara warehouse and broke the publicity vans that were parked there, Parivartan Yatra Raths, and also stole valuable items. BJP leader Pramod Chaudhary has lodged a complaint in this regard with the Kolkata police. This is the fourth alleged attack by the TMC workers on the BJP. On the 25th of February, just a day before BJP chief Nadda's rally in Bengal, BJP and TMC workers clashed in Jagadal. 3 BJP workers were grievously injured in the alleged attack by the TMC goons. Before that, BJP had alleged that vehicles, a part of their convoy, were attacked in Basirhat on the 20th of February.
It's too unfortunate. It is a face loss of West Bengal. What is happening in West Bengal, there is no democracy. Our only slogan is the restoration of democracy. We want to establish democracy in West Bengal. And that is why we are confident whatever they want to do, they can do. But BJP will form the government with more than 200 seats.
लोगों ने बात नहीं किया, सीधा आते ही तोड़फोड़ मचा दिया और जो मचाने के बाद और सभी को बाहर, हम लोगों को सभी को बाहर कर दिया और जो है सभी आकर के सभी को गाड़ी तोड़ दिया.
We are at the warehouse in Kadapara where the BJP Parivartan Yatra vans are stationed, and we can see that these vans have been vandalized. The BJP alleges that it is Trinamool Congress supporters who are behind this, and what we know is that this happened on Friday night, hours after the election dates for West Bengal were announced. There's an 8-phase election in West Bengal, and the BJP had raised concerns about pre-poll and post-poll violence, that being one of the reasons for this 8-phase election, for which Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has said that this is something which she did not really look at it as the election commission perhaps working at the behest of the Saffron Party. The men came into this warehouse. At that point in time, they didn't know who these men were. They said the men were here for about an hour and a half, and that's when they vandalized these vans over here. But the BJP, of course, looking at it as the handiwork of the Trinamool Congress, while this happened hours after election dates were announced. With camera person Raju Namdar, Prema Rajam in Kolkata for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.